Okay, so this is your sketchbook assignment. I forgot to tell you in class, so I'm just going to do it real quick like this. This is week number 2. You're going to start with a blank piece of paper, and you're going to need either markers or colored pencils, colored markers or colored pencils. Those of you that did them small, I commented last time, but make sure you're doing them on a normal size piece of paper. That's not fair for you to do a little one and everybody else to do a big one. Okay, so make sure you do them on the right size. So this one's called typography tester. And if you don't know what the word typography is, it means type or font. Okay, so like on the computer, when you choose Times New Roman, or you choose Impact, or you choose Calibre, or whatever, that's a font. So it's a different style of text. So you are going to do 12 different styles of writing on your paper and make it look like an art project, okay? So you can write whatever you want. It can be your name over and over again. It can be lyrics to a song. It can be a poem. It can be whatever. But the important thing is it has to be 12 different styles of writing. Okay, so I'm just going to use my name, and I'm going to start with right here in the middle. I'm going to do big, fat, cursive bubble letters, okay? And in case you didn't know, my real name is Erin, so I'm putting that in there. Okay, and then I would fill that in, all right? But just to show you, for sake of time right now, I'm not going to do that, but filled in. So there's the middle, okay? Then we come up with another style. And I'm going to switch colors for each style. You don't have to, but overall, it should be nice and colorful. And this one, I'm going to do like dots. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Dots and lowercase. And now this is a different style. And please don't just copy the styles that I use. Try to come up with some of your own. Okay, and if you're stuck, you can always just go look up font styles on the computer and do one like that. So there's that. Okay, and notice I'm doing it nice and big because I've got to do at least 12 different ones, and I want it to fill up my page. All right, so I would definitely want some of those to be big, like heavy block letters. So, and again, fill these in. To fill the page, I wrote this on many of you guys last time, this marker's dying. It has to have more color than it does white. So if you just draw all these and you don't color any of them in or fill them, and the paper looks really white, the page is not filled. Okay, it doesn't mean you can't have any white. The balance just needs to be heavier with color than with white. Okay, so I'm going to make this very square. Okay, so I currently have 3 different styles. Okay. All right. So then let's do one kind of weird and wavy or something like that. So I'm going to go okay, there's another style. Hopefully you get the idea. I'm not going to keep going because you're going to get tired of watching this. Okay, but I've got 4, and I need to fill up the rest of this paper with my 12. If your paper is not full and you need to do 14, that's fine. It has to be at least 12 though, and it needs to be filled, and you need to use color. So that's the rules. Fill the page, include color, at least 12 or more different styles. Can be anything you want as far as words, but that's what the project is. It's called Typography Tester. It is due next Thursday. Good luck.